Yeah, I had to push out a Snicker bar, didn't you, woman? Yeah. Everyone feels better when they push out them Snickers, don't they? Yeah. Yeah. Say, we all feel better when we push a Snicker bar out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah. Come on this way. Come on over here, outlaw. Come on this way. Come on this way. Come on this way. Where you going, buckaroo? Where you going? Going back to camp. Let's go back this way. Come on. Come on, buckaroo. Let's go back to camp. Atta girl. Atta girl. Come on over here. Come on. Come on, pretty lady. Come on, atta girl. Atta girl. Come on over here. Let me untangle. Here you go. Come on. Let's go back where we were so we can sit down in the shade. Get that water out for you too. Hold on 1 minute. So it's our little setup right now. It's our little setup, ain't it, outlaw? Yeah. Not a bad view, if you ask me. Nice shade, breezy. Let's get the girl some water. Let's get the girl some water. Yeah. Hold on.